Magandang buhay sa lahat at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by using extracting square root. So magpipresent po ako ng different examples. So ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo step by step on how to calculate the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay, so let's start with number 1 example. So we have x squared minus 5 is equal to 11. So bago po natin i-perform ang extracting square root, dapat po ay lahat ng terms or like terms ay dapat mai-simplify natin, pagsamahin natin. So in our equation, x squared minus 5 is equal to 11. X squared, so wala na pong ibang x squared na term, okay na siya. But itong negative 5 at 11, pareho po silang constant. So, ang gagawin po natin, we are going to combine negative 5 and 11. So, how to combine? So, we are going to transpose negative 5 sa right side. So, ganito lang po yun. Ilagay ko po dito sa baba. Ta-transpose natin yung negative 5 sa right side ng equation. So, pag tin-transpose natin, ang maiwan sa left ng equal sign, pag lipat yung negative 5, maiwan dito ay x squared. So, iyan po ay equal to yung 11. Pag nilipat po natin tong minus 5, change the sign, magiging plus 5. Take note, mag-change lang po tayo ng sign or ng operation kapag lumipat po tayo o tumawid po tayo ng equal sign. Okay, so we have here x squared is equal to 11 plus 5. I-add po natin yan, that will become 16. So x squared is equal to 16. Okay, so ito pong x squared nasa left, yung 16 ay nasa right. So gagawin lang po natin dyan, para makuha po yung roots by using extracting square root, ay extract po natin ng square root to both side of the equation. Okay? And then, ano pang purpose niyan? Ika-cancel po natin itong square root symbol at yung square ng x squared. So, ang matitira po dito ay ito pong x. Okay? So, x is equal to, ano yung square root ng 16? 16 is a perfect square number and that is 4. Since pwede pong dalawa yan, positive and negative 4 because positive 4 times positive 4 is 16, negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to 16 also. So the roots are positive 4 and negative 4. So we're going to check. So check natin, x is equal to positive or negative 4. So ito po yung ating original equation. Okay? Unahin po natin itong positive 4. So 4x squared, substitute lang po natin dyan. Because this x squared, ang x na value ay 4, so 4 is squared. And then, follow lang po natin minus 5 equal to 11. Then, simplify natin yung 4 squared, that is 16, minus 5 equal to 11. And what is 16 minus 5? That is equal to 11, and that is equal to 11. So, tama po yung ating sagot. So, even kapag negative 4 naman, kapag lalagay po natin dito yung negative 4 square, ang negative 4 square is equal to 16 also. So, pupunta po tayo ng 11 is equal to 11. So, the roots of this quadratic equation is positive 4 and negative 4. Okay, so for number 2 example, we have 2x squared plus 7 is equal to 39. So, the same with number 1, yun nga lang, may numerical coefficient yung x squared natin na 2. So, we have 7 and 39 here. Kailangan i-combine po ulit natin yan. So, i-transpose po ulit natin yung 7 sa right ng equal sign. So, this will become, pag tin-transpose yan, ang maiwan sa left ay itong 2x squared. And then, itong 39 ay remain po siya dyan. And then, ang tatawid lang po ng equal sign ay 7. So, yun lang po ang ating i-change yung operation. So, plus 7 sa kabila, magiging minus 7. And then, we are going to subtract 39 minus 7 is equal to 32. So, in this case, we have 2x squared is equal to 32. Yung 2 is not a perfect square kapag nilagay po natin or nilagyan natin ito ng extract square root. So, gagawin natin muna dito ay isi-simplify natin. How to simplify? Yung 2 po ay tatanggal natin sa x squared by dividing 2 to both sides of the equation. Kasi dito po sa left, divisible by 2, sa right, divisible by 2. Okay? So, kapag dinivide po natin yan, magiging divide by 2, divide by 2. And then, ika-cancel po natin itong 2. So, ang matitira po dun sa left side ay x squared. So, dito po natin ilagay. So, x squared at itong 32 divided by 2 ay 16. Okay. So, yan. Naka-simplify na po yung ating equation. X squared is equal to 16. Ito po yung ax squared at yung constant yan po yung applicable sa extracting square root. Ano po? Yung ax squared and then yung c. Okay. So, extract po natin ng square root to both side of the equation. And then, cancel natin yung square root symbol at yung square. Yan, sa x. Ang matitira po ulit doon ay x is equal to 16 is a perfect square at ang kanyang square root ay positive and negative 4. So again, ang solution po natin dito ay positive 4 and negative 4. So pag i-check po ninyo, so ilagay lang po dun sa variable x itong positive 4 or negative 4. Dapat mapalabas po natin 39 is equal to 39 dito po sa ating equation. So ito po yung kanyang roots. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? We have x minus 3 square is equal to 9. So actually, ito pong given natin ay napakadaling gamitin yung extracting square root. Pero pag tinitignan natin, parang ang hirap isolve itong quadratic equation na ito. Ano po? Pero kapag ginamitan ng extracting square root, madali lang pala ang pag-solve nito. So paano po? Ganito lang po yan. So x minus 3 square is equal to 9. In this case, magkahiwalay na po yung may square at yung constant sa right side. So, on that case, pwede na kaagad extract yung square root. So, bakit po? Meron po bang may ka-cancel dyan? Meron. Pwede pong i-cancel itong square root symbol at yung square na nandito sa labas. Okay. So, ang matitira na lang dito ay x minus 3. So, lagay po natin x minus 3 is equal to, what is square root of 9? 9 is a perfect square. Yan po ay positive or negative 3. Okay. So dito, makukuha na po natin yung roots ng quadratic equation. So ang next po natin dyan, simplify natin. Okay. Ito pong negative 3 na ito or minus 3, ililipat po natin sa right side. Para ang maiwan sa left ng equal sign ay itong x lang. So pag nilipat yung minus 3, sa right side magiging plus 3. Okay. So this become, dalawa po yung magiging roots natin. Ito pong x is equal to positive 3 plus 3. Ito po yun. X is equal to positive 3 plus 3. At yung pangalawa naman po ay x is equal to negative 3 plus 3. Ito po. X is equal to negative 3 plus 3. Yan. Yung isa ay positive 3. Ito isa ay negative 3. So, in this part, x is equal to 3 plus 3. That is equal to 6. Yan na po yung first root ng quadratic equation. At yung second root ng quadratic equation, dito naman po, what is negative 3 plus 3? That is equal to 0. So the roots of that quadratic equation are x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 0. Okay, so salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po sa aking channel. So kung meron kang sinasagutan na problem or quadratic equation na hindi mo masolve, comment mo lang sa comment box. At hintayin po ninyo yung aking reply or pwede ko pong igawan ito ng short video. Basta subscribe lang po kayo para pag ako ay nag-reply sa inyong mga message ay manonotify po kayo.